Hi, first graders. I hope everyone's having a great spring break. I have a special mission or project I would like for you to help me with. So I'm here in my office, and it looks much different than at school. At school, I had my desk, and I had that whole space next to my desk, that whole bulletin board that I created, and it was covered in your artwork that you had made for me and letters that you had written me throughout the year. And I'm really missing having a board like that here in my office. So I'm going to create one, but I need your help. So here's what I'm going to send you, and I hope that you'll decide to take this project on. Let me show you what I'm going to send you. I'm going to send you some directions since it's Easter time. I'm going to send you some directions for how to draw a rabbit. Now, these are the directed drawings that we've done in class before. And so you might remember it has step by step. So all you will need is blank paper, like printing paper that is completely blank that you could just draw on. And then you will just look at each step. Like the first step says, draw a circle for the face. So you notice that circle is a little bit further down than halfway on the page. So think about where you're going to place that circle as you start to draw. Okay? So then you have all the rest of the steps. There are 6 steps in total for drawing that bunny. And then, of course, when you are done drawing it with your pencil, you can go back and color it any color you want. You don't have to make the bow tie on this on your rabbit just like this one. You can make it any way you want. Be creative, show your personality. So those are the directions for drawing a rabbit. And then, because I'm missing so much, all those beautiful letters and writings that you have made for me this year, I also found this really cute lined paper with a bunny on the bottom. So write me a letter. I would love to be able to include those on the bulletin board that I'm going to make here in my office. And then I can start to put them up as soon as I get them from you. I am going to include my address in the email message I'm going to send to your family. That way, when you complete the rabbit or the letter for me, you can just mail it to me if you would like. If you don't have envelopes and stamps at your house, but you have a printer, you could always scan it and email it to me, and I would still get it that way, and I would still be able to print it out here at my home and put it up on the bulletin board that I'm going to make here. I'm so excited about this, and I can't wait to get this started. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.